towards the car!
No!
He's not talking about Billy, is he? Are you okay?
I'm all right, keep going! Hey, Bouncer! We got a view!
Yeah, I can see it! All right, I got it! That's no moon! It's a space station!
Debris! We have debris!
Now, come on, come on! Okay! They're in the barricades! Oh my god! Oh my god! Melissa, look at this! Take a peek!
No, I
You
don't
can
want
really
to.
feel it with a telephoto lens!
No!
Oh, come on, what's the matter? What's wrong?
You people are all crazy! You know that!
What?
Just set up! We're not leaving till we get there! She's the craziest one of them all!
Okay, she's almost ready!
Hold on! We're almost there! We're almost there!
Whoa! Stop! This is fine!
Good shit! We gotta get closer! A little closer! All right, that's close enough.
Okay, hurry! Get the tailgate!
You got it?
Yeah, she's all set. Help me get her down. Hurry!
Let's go!
Hey, we gotta go now. Come on.
We can do this! Come on, come on!
Shit, it's stuck. Watch it! Get out! Look out! Come on, hurry! Where'd he go? Where is it? What's going on? I don't believe this. What the? Bill, Joe, it's over. The thing was stable, and then it's gone.
It's back building!
It's not through yet. You're right, it's back building. We got a jumper here.
Bouncer, it's back building! You gotta track it!
Yeah, Joe, we know data isn't complete. I think you guys should get out